Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Hey friends, what's up? I'm ANISH and I'm from Goa. I'm a passionate cricketer and a table tennis player. The message which I want to share is the time which is available right now should be utilized in a proper manner. So I wish everybody a best of luck for the coming future and I hope that everybody is gonna do well.
Hi friends, I am Shantesh Mapsekar. Since this lockdown has started, I would like to share my routine during this lockdown. I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning, do my stretches and servicing, and then I practice with my brother.